So guys, today I'm in the beautiful town of Ocho Rios. A beautiful sunny day, although it's windy. And I'll be going to the beautiful Turtle River Park. That's the vicinity near the courts and the Rubis gas station. Yay! So, as I said before, I'm on my way to the Turtle River Park. We're going to do a walkthrough. So yes guys, that's the entrance right here. We'll be going through Turtle River Park. Thank you. Yes, so I just did my temperature check and a hand sanitizer. You can also wash your hands. There's a wash hand station right here. Such a beautiful place. It's very sunny and windy. Beautiful skies, palm trees. The landscaping is very, very beautiful. Very beautiful landscaping. Car park is over there, all the way down. Yeah, so I'm just strolling through the park. I'm gonna take it here. Doing a stroll through the park. Very nice place to relax. You can have parties here. They have concerts here. They have like, before COVID, they used to have like seafood festival. Yes, they have like seafood festivals here. Concerts, stage shows. But that was that's before COVID though. It is very beautiful. Very beautiful. And the landscaping, very nice. See? Well landscaped park. Woo. Over here you have the playground, but I guess it's not in operation now. Right there you'd have the swings. I guess they're not in operation now. That's a play area for the kids. It says for children under 12. And of course, it says guidelines for the protocol. And you have your park rules posted there. It goes all the way around. Those are some turtles. Benches over there. So again, it's the Turtle River Park in Ocho Rios. I have to wear my mask. Have to wear my mask. That's where I'm coming from. That's the view. That's the entrance. Another entrance that is. Another one is at the end. The other end of the park. You see some fishes in here, but I guess I don't know where they are today. Very nice. It's a very nice park to relax, for children to play, to unwind sometimes after work. Just sit and clear your head. Beautiful nature. It goes all the way around there. And here is the turtle pond. That's the turtle pond, said, and fishes. That do not feed the fish. Do not feed fish. There you have a little tuck shop where they sell like snacks, ice cream, novelties and stuff like that. Right. Beautiful palm trees. Beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know if I can go over the turtle part, turtle area. I don't know if it's closed off, but let's see. A lot of people come here to study as well, or just to hang out with friends. Oh, it's not closed off. So this is the little pond where you have the fishes. Those are the fish, as you can see. And that's a turtle over there. Let me see if I see any more turtles. So this is why they call it Turtle River Park. This is a turtle pond. But I just see one. Oh, it's gone down. Sometimes you see them on the stones, but I'm not seeing any of them now. Yep. Turtles are hiding today. And I only see a lot of them. Yes, they're hiding today. I'm not seeing any of them. Uh-oh. I'm in no luck today. No luck. And one was just right here. Oh, there he is. Hey. I'm just seeing just one. Just one. I guess it's warm in the sun. Yeah, there's just one. I'm not lucky today to see the others. So pond, and the fishes. Yep. That's another park. No, I didn't know. Hello. There's a man with a... Oh, hi, Misty. What type of bird is it?
She's a dog.
Oh, bubble dog. Okay. No, thanks. Thanks much. All right, take care. Oh. No, not today. park goes all the way over there. And I'm approaching the exit or another entrance from this end. It's more an exit, right? There you have the restroom and the office for the park, and palm trees. So cool in here. The sun is hot, but it's so cool, so windy, nice. So as I said, that's the other gate, but this will be the exit, sorry. But you can enter or exit from any one of the gates. Here's another wash hand station. And this one is closed, but this road, this gate will take you out right in front of Sandcastle. Ready? So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share the video, comment, and thank you all for your support, all my existing subscribers and my new subscribers. Thank you all. Yes, so guys, I'm going back to where I from where I entered. I'm going back on the road. I'm gonna run some errands. So, Ocho Rios. This is where I entered, so the gate is closed. So yeah, that's it. Beautiful. Very windy. Like I said, this is the other entrance. This is where I entered. Right. Beautiful. Turtle River Park. Yep, that's it. Ocho River Park. Bye.